Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your iPad if it's not responding. So I actually had this issue a couple of days ago and I figured out how to fix it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that today. So for the first step, you want to make sure you unplug every third-party accessory that you have. I think this is the reason mine actually did it, was because I had a third-party cord, because this happened more than once. After I stopped plugging it in with a third-party accessory, it actually stopped glitching and freezing the screen. Next step, what you guys want to do is start with the force restart. So we're going to start first with the iPads that don't have a home button, and then I'll show you guys what to do with the iPads that do have a home button. So for step one, what you guys want to do is click volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. And you're going to continue to hold it until you see an Apple logo. There you go. So now we have force restarted our device. And for the people who have a home button, all you have to do is hold both the power button and home button until you see the Apple logo. If it didn't fix it for you, you guys can continue staying on the video and trying this other method. So please excuse my home screen, but what you guys are going to need to do for this next method, you guys are going to need a computer and your iPad. And what we're going to do is we're going to either restore or update it. So all you have to do is connect it. And the next step for this, you guys are going to want to do the same exact thing for force restart, but we're just going to put it into iTunes mode. I don't know what they call it these days anymore, but it's basically putting it into a mode where your computer can detect it with least issues happening. So it's going to be the same process. So it's going to be volume up, volume down, hold the power button, and we're going to wait and continue waiting past the Apple logo. Keep holding, now you see the Apple logo, keep holding, and now we are in iTunes mode. Notice how it appeared on my computer. So if you're receiving that message, there's a problem with the iPad that requires it to be updated. That is probably an issue with your iPad, and you have two options from here, which is to restore or update. I would just update it just because it's better than losing all your data. But if you actually don't want to do that and want to keep retrying the other method, you could just exit the mode, which is the same thing. Power up, power down, hold power button, and make sure to displug it. Let people know in the comment section if it did work for you, so that way it can help other people get it together. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.